everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and CD stickers inserts, and for this week I will be using the kit from Saucy Stickers Co. It is called Snowkissed. It is a deco kit and it's just so very pretty. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base and I'll talk to you in a while. Alright, since this is not a deco kit, doesn't have any washi. I didn't buy the washi as well. For this kit, I don't think it has a washi page. Not sure. But yeah, I'm using this grid washi. I'm just loving the grid washi. This is from Amazon. I have several rolls in different colors, so I'm like, yeah, let's use this as my base for these beautiful floral trims. And that is for my washi area. And then we'll get to the date headers this time, which I will use the torn paper or like the pattern paper, this pretty pattern paper. I just wanted to use it because it's like just, yeah, it has to be seen on my page. So that is my backdrop for my date headers, and I just put down the dates, and yeah, it's just as simple as that. Alright, so I am planning for the last week of January, so that's why we're still in the January space. I did use this cute like scene in the middle, so I'm using some alcohol ink swatches just for its background because I feel like, yeah, it needs some sort of backing for it. I did get the premium matte format or paper for this kit, and I just love the colors coming out from this kit. So yeah, just that at the center, and then I'm using most of the big deco from the kit. And then what else? Some scenes, and then I again work from the top to the bottom in like a diagonal way. And yeah, just loving how this came out with the characters in it as well as the foil that I was able to put in there. So yeah, I think that's about it. 'cause I'll be with you. All right, so let's get to the day to day. So on Monday, I was reading or finished Fake Skating. So that is by Lynn Painter. It's a YA book, and I just love Lynn Painter's YA books. I think I've read most of her YA or young adult books because they're just so cute, so sweet. And yeah, it's just a fun time. It's just a fun read. It's better. I actually enjoy her YA books than her like adult books. Yeah, it's just yeah, I don't know. There's just something about it that makes me enjoy her young adult books. All right, and then I was able to edit a sticker haul, and then I was binge watching Ponies or PONIS, Person of Non Interest. It's the one with what's her name? The one from Emilia Clarke, the one from Game of Thrones, and then one other. I think she's from what was that? Oh gosh, the one on HBO, like the resorts, like those really fun. Oh gosh, I forgot. But anyways, yeah, a person of non-interest. It's like an old they're like in 1970s maybe, and they're in Russia, and they're like, they were made spies, the two girls. But yeah, it was really funny, but I actually didn't finish it. All right, so on Monday I did get some happy mail from Paper Trail Plans, and also the Illumicrate Afterlight book. And I was able to film and finish my February bullet journal. And I was also listening this time to Cinder, which is by Marissa Myers. And I just love her books. The Cinder is like a Cinderella story, but then it's like cyborg type. So the girl is a cyborg and, working in like this super high technology world. So yeah, it was a fun read. I really enjoyed that book as well. Anything by Marissa Myers I've been enjoying so far. She does remakes of like classic tales, so I just love that. I think I just finished one just this week from her, which I'll discuss when I'm in that week. All right, so on Wednesday I did get my second mammogram test. I had one in December, but then they saw something in there, so I had to do a second test. And I had to wait for like how many months? For that was December, and this January, maybe like a month and a half to get another one done. And usually it's scary, right? Because if they see something, what does that mean? But fortunately it was nothing. It was just a very, very small cyst that didn't it doesn't really won't affect me at all. So that's good. That's done for this year. We'll have one again later this year. And I also had a journaling sesh. So that was the first half of the week. On Thursday, I did get some happy mail from Once More with Love. I joined her mail club. There's so many mail clubs right now, and I'm loving it. I'm like loving all the stickers that the sticker shops are coming up with, like for their mail clubs, where you get a certain bunch of stickers, some die cut stickers, and also a card and some a personal letter. So it's really fun. And then I bought some books. Where did I buy? Oh, I went to the Anderson bookstore because I did use my birthday discount, because you get like 40% discount on this local bookshop. So that's what I did. I got some, and then I also went to Barnes and Noble after that. And then we ate at Q Ramen for some ramen, of course. All right, so on Friday, I had some book mail. My book outlet mail was here. So I think these were like the $5.99 or like the $4.99 sale. Anyways, that sale. So my order did arrive. So that was great. And then we got some tacos what was this? Yeah, snowy. It was a snowy day as well. So this is like perfect. This kit is perfect because it was a snowy day, maybe snowy week. And then got some tacos. And then on Saturday, I was able to sleep in. Brought my mother-in-law to the grocery. We went to so many groceries, I think, this time. And then I bought some books at half price books bookstore. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So, yeah, there were a lot of books this week, which is really fun. I just love my books. And then, yeah, that was for Saturday. And then I wasn't able to record this Sunday. So I was able to upload my February bullet journal. And I was reading this time The Alchemy of Secrets. Alchemy of Secrets was fine. It's by Stephanie, the one who wrote the book with the Caravel series. It was pretty okay. And then, yeah, I just got some gas and some air for our tires. So, yeah, that was it this week. These are the leftovers of this spray or this kit. And yeah, this is the full spread in silver foil. So pretty. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.